Right, hello, good evening. Mm. Oh, that's cool. It's a green bottle. Anyways, so I keep puttering along with this project. I have agents in here now. Oh, I didn't. Hosting. To actually learn a little bit what these, like, they're actually sub agents, but it feels weird to call them sub agents. But Claude Code supports them. And I didn't do any research. I kind of stumbled upon it because the way you think about agents is that they are like these personas that are like experts in a certain field. And like maybe that kind of makes sense, but like you're not making the model smarter by telling it that it is a certain persona. The thing that sub-agents are really for is context management, or at least that's how I understand it. So you have like Claude Code, super smart model that really can handle anything. But then in long-running tasks, it might fill up its context, and then it's hard to evaluate what's still important, what's not important. So what sub-agents do is that it allows Claude to delegate a certain assignment that might require a lot of context, but the result of all that context build-up is like the entirety of that context that's being built up by you doing that assignment isn't relevant. It's really just the output of that assignment. So an example of that could be understanding the code base. Like everything where it kind of tries to figure out something, it will take some wrong turns and everything. There's a lot of tokens in that. But the result of that is really what you want to continue as your context as you move on. And the same for writing the actual code. And the reason is that it requires a lot to write code because it also needs to read a lot of code. And a lot of those tokens aren't relevant for moving on. And especially researching on the web. Imagine like all the tokens filling up when you're loading up all these pages and everything. If you have a sub-agent that does that, like there's certain things you want to figure out, fills up its context with web searches, and then actually responds back to the main agent with the actual relevant context. So this Git handler that I created, I'm not sure how efficient that is, because that there's not a lot of tokens going on during Git operations. Maybe there are, like maybe a Git historian would make more sense. But it's really interesting. I never thought about agents that way. So, but yeah, so I made other like smaller tweaks. What have I done? Yeah, some smaller UI tweaks. Yeah, I also have, let's see, so here now, if it runs an agent, you can see that it actually, you see it here, and it actually shows you the tasks or the tools that the agent ran. So that's new. I found a security issue that I fixed. Yeah. And kind of wrapping up agents version 1. Like it's quite rough still. Like just the whole UI is, yeah. You can choose what tools it should be able to use and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm gonna polish that. But for now, let's try to find another issue we can try to see if I broke something. Help about CodeSign was shut down today. Aw, sorry to bother you. Like, this is my job, dude. This calculator, there's still a concept of dormancy. Oh, yeah, sorry. I should respond to this. You know what? I'm actually gonna try to run the agent here. But the problem is, well, we can actually, yeah, this is interesting. So we're gonna try something. There we go. I'm gonna paste that issue. It's gonna download the issue. Please use the what's the docs? Code Sandbox SDK docs. So what we could have done here, we could have added a Claude MD file into our repo to help with this. But now I'm just gonna add it here. Documentation and resolve the issue. Okay, add issue task. So I fixed background fetch now, so it's a smoother transition into this pending thing. I did make changes to the agent, so hopefully let's see what happens. Yeah, it's very interesting. GPT-5 was released yesterday. Like, the thing about Claude Code is the CLI. Like, they've done something amazing there. So yeah, they've really done something amazing there. So even though GPT-5 is, maybe it's really good in what the hell is it called? Cursor. It probably is very good in Cursor, but at the same time, like, Claude is just so insanely good now. Like, I tried the Codex project and it's like, it's just so behind. So I think OpenAI's strategy is to integrate with, for example, Cursor, which is why they thought about buying Windsurf and so on. But Anthropic is really winning this CLI thing. Maybe Google will keep up. But it's it says a lot about what tooling does. For a model. Find the example. Provide code examples. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. What's really cool here is that, like, any repo can add a Claude MD file, and this tool will actually consider that context when it helps with issues, which is really cool. Oh, so it actually contributes with something as well. Yeah, it doesn't really know that there's an actual open source docs. They're hidden inside the Code Sandbox doc, so yeah, let's see what it does in the end here. By the way, I played Battlefield 6 today. It's a really solid game. Like, it's just insane amount of people involved, the number of producers and managers. But it's a really solid game. It's super fun. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual issue. Oh, that was pretty cheap. Oh, nice, we fixed that bug. I've successfully constructed a comprehensive solution to address the user's question. Like, this is what I wanted to answer. I don't want it to... Oh yeah, because I wrote the user. Yeah, whatever. Monitoring and cleanup scripts, enhance adding building warning section with key methods, lifecycle management examples, proper shutdown. Varies by size. Hibernation dormancy. Yes, Sandbox automatically hibernate after 5 minutes. Building stops immediately when hibernated. Proper shutdown usage code example is correct. Oh, cool. It found that one. Documentation provides practical solutions for managing. Okay, so let's look at the changes. So there should be a diff here. Look at this. Oh, fuck. That's something I need to fix. Oh my god. There's no scrolling. Okay, that's something we need to fix. I'm very curious what it said here though. Can I like copy it somehow? Maybe we can go in there and create like a like overflow. Is this the content? How big is it? Oh, so this actually has how should I do that? Oh, overflow hidden. This is the problem. Isn't it? No. No, this also has that big size. There we go, overflow hidden. No, what the fuck? Oh, overflow scroll. What the fuck? Overflow scroll. What the fuck? Ah, for fuck's sake. There we go. That's weird. Oh yeah, it's because Tailwind injects CSS. Okay, let's see what it says. Design about Code Sandbox, SDK building, and VM credits and runtime hours. With memory snapshot, save, no building. Shutdowns with no building. Disconnect, temporary disconnected state. Yeah, exactly. This is really good. Managing proper shutdown to stop billing. This is the thing. Faster resume. Billing post. Sandbox type. Okay, it's true. Managing multiple sandboxes. Yeah. Batch operations for... This is really cool. Best practices for cost management. This is really, really good. The only thing is that this should rather be in... Okay. What should we do about this? Shouldn't there be a button? Yeah. Push changes. Oh. Oh, interesting. Not able to push. Remote. Denied to CodeBots app. That's right, but I should have been running this push changes with my own token. So that's weird. I need to fix that. Okay, so we found 2 bugs. That's nice. But I'm impressed by this contribution. I'm actually going to share this with some colleagues. But I need to fix those bugs first. I don't really have time for it now because I just got like a few minutes away from the kids. But yeah. Moving forward. So what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do, and so that's the thing. I'm not sure if we should add a Claude MD to the actual repo, or if I should allow you to like just write some instructions, general instructions for the repo here in the service that just is just added to the prompt, or just kind of, yeah, added to the prompt, I guess. But one thing I don't like is I really wanted to act as if it's acting on behalf of the user. But at the same time, I actually wanted to act in 2 different modes. If the username of the issue is the same, if the username, I think this could be really, really cool. So if the username is the same, the issue GitHub username is the same as the contributor, then it's gonna act as if it's the user that's contributing with this. If it is a different username, it's gonna like be from the perspective of the contributor of the codebot, helping the original user. I think that will be really, really cool. To SDK, separate prompt about result format based on username differences. Okay, this is very, very cool. Okay, but I'm gonna fix those bugs when I get a chance, and then I'm gonna go back to this issue, and I'm not sure, we're not gonna create a PR for it because this should be part of the official docs, but I wanna push the branch so I can show it to my colleagues. Cool. Okay, that's it for now. We're just gonna keep doing this, iterating on the service. Maybe I should like, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Like, no, let's just keep it as a stream for now. And then if we get to like a polished state where we're kind of just doing the stream to contribute to an issue, maybe I'll rather do like actual recordings and publishing videos or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, bye for now.